What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we will be unboxing a 1995 Ford Escort by Greenlight, so let's get right into it. And before I rip this open, I do like the packaging on this. It's simple, yet it looks very good. Alright, now let's rip this open. Alright, and here we go. So, I actually picked this up for $3, it was on clearance, great deal in my opinion, and it has pretty good details, so my only complaint really is the rims are kind of flimsy on this model, but I always love the big spoilers on the Escort RSs, but it has a fully molded interior. It is right-hand drive, which is pretty neat. You don't see that a lot in real life, especially in America. And overall, this is a pretty good model if my camera will focus. It has the, let's see here, let's get some better light here. On the rear of it, if you can see it, it has the, right there on the left, it says Ford Escort. It has the Ford badge on the right. Fully painted like reverse lights and all that stuff, which is pretty nice. Painted gas caps, silver chrome. I think that might be chrome. And it does have molded rear seats. I didn't see that either. Then in the front, we have pretty much the same stuff as the rear. If it'll focus. And it has these nice little hood vents on it. So those have some pretty good texture to it. But overall, very nice model in my opinion. So thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.